Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Simple shrimp recipe that is so delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. Prior to serving, add some Parmesan cheese and let's get started. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. Red shrimp. These are peeled, deveined and no shell. It's washed with cold water. I drain the water and place it on paper towel, and if you see, I pat it dry. Other ingredients we're going to use. These are the dry ingredients and it's a 1/4 teaspoon each. Salt, black pepper, ginger powder, garlic powder and red chili flake. 1/2 teaspoon parsley flake and 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon butter and olive oil. So the first step will be get a mixing bowl and we're going to add all the dry spices. Salt, black pepper, ginger powder, garlic powder, red chili flakes, parsley flake, cornstarch. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add shrimps and we're going to mix them well. Mix them well. We're going to make sure that each shrimps are nicely coated. Once it's nicely combined, as you can see, each shrimp is nicely coated with all the seasoning. And now we'll take this one on gas and we're going to start cooking. Start your gas and keep the gas on medium, and we're going to add olive oil. Add 1 tablespoon butter. Now we're going to lay down the shrimp. Once all the shrimps are laid out, we're going to cook them for 2 minutes. It's exactly 2 minutes. Now we're going to turn these over. Look at this beautiful texture. And keep your gas on medium. If you keep your gas on a high, then they're going to get burned. So we're going to cook the other side after 2 minutes. So within 4 minutes, our shrimp will be all ready. It's 2 more minutes altogether, 4 minutes. A half lemon, and we're going to squeeze it. Our dish is all ready. I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to dish out. This is very delicious shrimp recipe. Let me share with you. Simple shrimp recipe that is so delicious. Prior to serving, add some Parmesan cheese. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.